for tuning into our channel, guys, where we help out the homeless. We actually talked to La Fogata. They're going to donate 5 to 10 burritos. We're going to gather another store also. We're going to get like 30 burritos and go to Chinatown and give them out to the hungry people in Chinatown, right? So let's go, guys. Special thanks to La Fogata. La Fogata, thank you so much. The next restaurant helping us out, La Salsa Mexican restaurant. Thank you so much. What's your name? So guys, helping out the community. Alright guys, we're driving to Chinatown and we're gonna go and give these 15 burritos. That's what we were able to get. But that's 15 mouths that will get fed, and yeah guys, thank you, community coming together always. Alright guys, we're just gonna give out these burritos to the homeless people. Hi guys. Burrito? Agua? No. You want a burrito? Want water? No. Say hi to the YouTube world. Okay. Hi guys. Hope you don't mind. We're giving out burritos and water. Anybody hungry? Burrito and water? Sir, would you like a burrito and water? Would you like a burrito and water? Yeah. All right, man.
Thank you. Oh, not my face, not my face.
It's for good people, you know? People that care about the homeless. Living out of a little car? It's tough, right? I hope everything gets better for you, sir.
Jose. He wants a burrito.
I'm sorry. Tú no pares de grabar nada.
Thank you.
You have a good day. Say hi to the YouTube world.
Hey, YouTube world.
Like no
Burrito?
Is it hot?
It is nice and warm, man. We just got them
I
from.
mean, not hot.
Man, it's not spicy, no. It's warm.
Okay.
Okay, one water for the lady, please. Officer, would you like to have a burrito?
Thank you.
No? Okay. Would you like a burrito, sir? Yes, sir. Fresh water for the gentleman. All right, guys. You want a burrito? Would you like a burrito? Ma'am, would you like a burrito? No? No. Alright, Gabby.
Yeah, I'm following.
I'm a lot of burrito. Hi guys, we got burritos and fresh water. Anybody want a burrito? Right here, stick out your hands. We are recording for the awareness and helping out the homeless here in Chinatown. You know, we gotta help out the homeless, right? Water.
Yeah.
2 waters. We got 2 burritos and 2 waters. Awesome, let's go.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
You happy?
Yes. You guys have a good one. Hey.
Water, hot dogs, and a burrito. Don't mind the camera. We are recording for helping out the homeless in Chinatown, okay? We want that bill to go away. Correct? More? Burrito? Now, there's a bill, guys, that doesn't let homeless people sleep on private or... Yes, I will get her one. Jose, one more burrito. Is there another person in there? Yes, I'm sorry about that, sir. I did not see him. Yeah, I hope everything gets better for you, sir. Can we get one more water? Thank you. Is there a hot dog? I mean, a burrito? I don't know why I keep saying hot dog, guys. I think I want hot dog. Water? Now, you want to say hi to the YouTube world? Yeah, we're out here. Say hi, YouTube. She's recording over there. So we should help the homeless.
Hi.
We gotta help the homeless, right, guys?
Yeah.
One more burrito? How many people you got in there?
One.
Okay. One more water too? No, yeah, okay. We got
Thank
3 more burritos that help out 3 more people, guys. Been giving a lot of burritos. Oh, you want a burrito?
Oh, más agua.
Yes, burrito with the water?
No, I'm going to get some toilet paper. He's in the car.
Water?
Yeah.
Oh, I gave him one already. He's over there. I already guessed.
Oh, God bless you. Thank you so much.
You want water? You want to tell the YouTube world help out the homeless?
That's the best thing they do everywhere around.
That's what he said.
Close you ain't do that.
One nice burrito. Anybody want it?
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, guys. I'll come back with more.
Everywhere you go, wake up in the morning. All you got to say,
You got water? We got water.
Good morning,
Ran
sir.
out, we're out. All right, guys, that's what we do on our channel. We help out the homeless. Richie, come here. Me and my boy Richie right here. We did this. Thank you, Richie. Helping out the homeless. Also, Get life insurance, guys. We gotta get everybody insured. Hey, God bless you and thank you for watching our channel. Now there is a bill that doesn't let people sleep on private or public areas. We gotta get that out there, and we gotta do something for the homeless. They're people and they need our help. You know, my father's homeless, so that's why I'm out here and I'm doing this. God bless you guys and thank you guys for watching our
Say
channel.
one thing about you. I always say one thing. Good Lord show me a good way. Good Lord show you the way.